When does the day start? Midnight. So at midnight, I'm going to look for something that drops down. I don't want to chase that because I don't want to be a short seller. I didn't trust short selling. I didn't know how to do it when I first started. So I just let it drop down. And then when it gave me a bullish divergence on the stochastics, and then I had a histogram on the MACD, that was my filter. Sometimes they didn't agree. Sometimes I missed moves, and then I'd have to chase price back in the 1990s. I was afraid I'd miss that because I would think just like most of you would. You would think, oh, I'm missing the only up close day with a big range when they're going to repeat in the future. But because I was first now fleshing out these ideas into models that I would use and apply with real money, the the fear factor was too large for me to do a lot of things that I'm comfortable now. But the point is when you have a large range day expected, Larry brought a really amazing observation that I didn't notice, and I was looking at charts a lot before him. Not before him, but before getting into his material. I never noticed that the opening would be near the low of bullish days. It was just completely, I didn't know about it. I didn't pay attention to it. It never drew my attention to it. No one ever called any special attention to it. But because his material talked about that, I was like, wow, as a day trader, like that's a superpower. Like that's literally like one of the wonderful advantages if you're a short-term trader or a day trader. You want to try to focus in on days when it's likely to start a price run like this, where everything is in your favor, that it's going to go one direction, find the opening price at midnight, and then anything below that price as it drops down, if it agrees with other factors that would constitute a trade, then it goes without saying that you have a high probability that you're going to be entering below the opening price, where and when smart money would accumulate their long positions.